शादी की बात कर रही है मेरे साथ। मैं ये करता हूँ, एक्चुअली क्यूरेटर होता क्या है? ओके अच्छा बता देता हूँ, मैं कजरारे सुनता हूँ। आवर रिलेशनशिप हैज नॉट सीन अ डे लाइट ऑफ द एप्स। यार पूरा क्यूरेटर बैठा है तो मैं प्लेलिस्ट की बड़ी है। अनूप जैन कोलैबोरेट विद हनुमान खान। आई थिंक इट्स एपी डिलॉन।
Overrated.
या आई फील इट्स सब अच्छे थे या सब बुरे थे।
तो पैसे कैसे बन रहे हैं अभी? content
पैसे तो
creation?
बन रहे हैं। यहाँ आज मनीषा के साथ बैठा हो तो पैसे बन रहे गाइस।
Today's guest is a music curator who's making waves by introducing fresh sounds to his audience, whether it's through expertly crafted playlists or shining a light on up-and-coming artists. He's on a mission to help music lovers discover the next big thing. From curating beats to connecting artists with fans, Sagar Curry is the go-to name for discovering the hottest music trends. So let's listen from him, from the man himself. Let's welcome Sagar Curry. Hello. Hi, how are you doing?
Thank you so much for having me here. और इतना अच्छा लिखा है मस्त मेरे बारे में, इतना मजा आया सुन के।
पहली बार सुना इतनी अच्छी बातें।
हाँ, ऐसा कभी किसी ने इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया मुझे। मैं खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ यूजुअली। हाय, मैं म्यूजिक क्यूरेटर, मैं ये करता हूँ। एक्चुअली क्यूरेटर होता क्या है? वो सब
I know. We also have those questions obviously, but we start our podcast with this one question. It's mostly requested by our audience. It's called What My Fans Don't Know. So you need to tell us one thing that your audience really does not know about you. What would it be?
Music wise, I would say what people who are following me do not know is that I listen to a lot of different music than what you guys see on my page. It's because my page is more about Hindi music, but there is more to it. I listen to a lot of different music जो मैं कभी डालता नहीं हूँ. Yep.
But ये तो हो गया music का. Personally, you said because very specifically in music.
Yeah.
So is there something in personal that your audience doesn't know?
In person, नहीं यार, like through my Instagram I've kept it very open. Even if you or anyone goes and scrolls up to the end of the world, you'll see what I've been doing for the last these many years.
What is the real you? Is it real you also? Do you go to people and be like, ये देख ये playlist है or this artist is upcoming? How's the real Sagar Curry?
I don't genuinely like when in a party people come up to me and like चल तू गाने बजा.
DJ.
नहीं, ये मैं पूरा दिन करता हूँ, अब तू बजाएगा.
Oh damn, that makes sense though. What you've done the entire day, you don't want to do at a party especially. So tell us, what song were you listening to when you were coming here?
Oh, crazy.
What?
I was listening to Local Train.
Oh,
the Local Train is one of my favorite
song?
bands, Mizaj. And अभी तो है नहीं band, so we are just left with the songs that they've given us.
I know.
But
that's everyone's. That band is in everyone's dream list, I'm sure. Like I have a friend in office only who's like, "Agar ye band, so I want them in my shadi." So I think they're like in everyone's checklist. But do you now? I know you also take interviews. So is there like a particular song you listen to before you go on set?
Not really. I try to listen to the artist that I'm hosting usually.
Oh.
है ना? That makes sense.
That makes sense. Oh shoot! Arey, but there'll be that one song that you wanna see. Now it's a camera presence. You still wanna look your best, feel
अच्छा
your
बता
best.
देता हूँ. मैं कजरारे सुनता हूँ.
No way. Oh shoot! I listen to proper Tamil kuttu songs and I can't stand because I feel like that energy is
Yeah, we
required.
need that energy wala songs to start something.
Kajrare really. Now I'm imagining Sagar in a vanity just vibing. Okay. Now, like you said, people ask you what is a music curator, and I feel like you have introduced us to this term. So for people who don't know what a music curator is, quickly, briefly tell us what is a music curator, what does he do?
Damn, okay. Music curator पहले तो इंडिया में अभी आया है, अभी इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, but this has been existing for a very long time globally.
Really?
Yes. I'll start with saying when you walk into a mall, you go into a outlet, Zara, H&M outlet, there's playlists playing. कौन decide करता है ये कि क्या play करेगा? मैकडॉनल्ड्स में जाते हो, एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेलिस्ट चलती रहती है पैन इंडिया. कौन डिसाइड करता है? देयर आर पीपल बिहाइंड इट. दे आर म्यूजिक क्यूरेटर्स. तो ये ग्लोबली टर्म हमेशा एग्जिस्ट किया है, अभी भी करता है. लेबल्स में A&R होते हैं, वो क्यूरेटर्स होते हैं.
करेक्ट.
राइट? दे आर सॉर्टिंग आउट हु इज द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग, हु हैज़ पोटेंशियल. बट मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो डिजिटली ओपनली कर रहा हूँ एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ गिविंग इट अ फेस. I know Spotify does already do playlists
Yeah.
for you, but मैं शक्ल दिखाता हूँ. I sort of put emotions into it. I take my time out and figure out कि if you're feeling this way, what you should listen. If you're feeling this way, then what you should listen. I have n number of playlists on my Spotify, Apple, wherever you're going. तो idea is कि I'm a filter for so many songs. Every week there are so many songs coming in.
Correct.
जब से जियो ने, थैंक यू जियो, इतना ज़्यादा इंटरनेट फ्री कर दिया है एंड सस्ता कर दिया है, वी हैव गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सी अ राइज इन आर्टिस्ट,
Correct. True.
राइट. और डिजिटली खुद लोग सॉन्ग्स बनाते हैं, मिक्स मास्टर करते हैं, पब्लिश करते हैं, सब इजी हो गया. दैट मीन्स इतने सारे सॉन्ग्स हर हफ्ते आते हैं.
Correct.
यू एंड एवरीवन ओवर हियर मे नॉट नो कि क्या सुनूं क्या नहीं सुनूं. हम लोग को जो टॉप चार्ट्स में आता है वही सुनते हैं.
Fair.
बाकी सॉन्ग्स को फिल्टर कैसे करेंगे?
That's very true.
So people like me, there are a lot of people like me right now in India who are doing it, and I'm glad कि हम artists को sort of a platform दे रहे हैं. And randomly, some artist is making music in their bedroom and see, oh, कि सागर ने मेरा आज share किया, and feels good that they are getting that, you know.
For the independent artists, yeah,
Yes.
very true. But do you have a particular song you wake up to every day?
Waking up to a song.
कि आज तो I want my day to go really good. I will listen to this.
I'm a huge Shah Rukh fan.
Okay.
So I usually, you know, when I want to feel energized, I go with Dil To Pagal Hai playlist.
Really?
Yes.
The whole movie? Oh,
Mujhko hi na
wow.
khabar and all that. So I'm a very 90s sort of a music person.
Now, गाने सुनना as a career option, you mentioned before, it honestly sounds mental. So how did you even figure कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है long term music curation?
मैंने नहीं सोचा था honestly. I've been a musician for over 12-13 years. I play guitar, a little bit of piano, and I produce also music.
Okay.
So before this is like last 2 साल what I'm doing right now. उसके पहले I used to do background scores for short films,
Oh wow.
ads. किसी को नहीं पता होगा ये.
Would we have seen something?
Not so famous. एक दो बार सब टीवी के लिए किया है and all that. So more of a studio person.
Okay, okay.
Because I trained as a musician,
Got
I
it.
started doing that. I
Trained as a musician in the sense?
I studied music.
Okay.
I gave exams. Trinity College of Music करके वो होता है. And so I used to play a lot of guitar. So I thought, you know, why not turn it into something professional? So I studied properly. And I figured अभी इससे पैसे भी तो बनने चाहिए.
Exactly. That was going to be my next question. पैसे कैसे बन
Yeah,
रहे?
then I was studying BMM. I'm a BMM kid, and there usually is a time in BMM journey where you are asked to make a film with a
Okay.
group.
Okay, okay.
वहाँ पे some friends asked me, तू ये फिल्म का म्यूजिक कर लेगा क्या? तू तो गिटार बजाता है. Well, okay, let's try, and that's how it started. I figured I can visualize a scene and make something, you know, like music for it.
Okay.
And वहाँ that I did for a very brief time, and it's last 2 years that I've been doing this. Coming to your question, कि ये thought क्यों आए, ये क्यों
Yes.
करना है? Because I genuinely thought I saw a lot of curators internationally doing this, and India में कोई नहीं कर रहा था. And I
Okay.
thought let's give it a try. I know music like professionally also, and I'm also a listener. Let's try to, you know, make the best of the most you know, qualities that I have.
Got it. तो पैसे कैसे बन रहे हैं अभी content
पैसे तो
creation?
बन रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
यहाँ आज मनीषा के साथ बैठा हो तो पैसे बन रहे हैं guys.
That is true. If you're here at the
Yes.
Social Nation show, then of course. Okay. Now my next question is, if a person checks your profile, the next thing that they see is you're very open about your relationship on Instagram at least.
Really?
Yes, you are. I थोड़ा maybe stalk करना पड़ सकता है, but you are. Now, my question is, this person obviously is Forum. She's your
Right.
high school sweetheart, is what I figured. Am I wrong? Are you all high school sweethearts? or-
College, yes.
Okay. So my question here was, now both of y'all are creating content. So as creators, what are the ups and downs that you all see in your relationship? Does it affect the fact that you all are creators, or what's the positive, negatives of being in the same industry?
Downs though very rare, but to be honest, she's been creating content in travel and lifestyle for a very long time. वो 6-7 साल से कर रही है.
Oh wow, really?
And I used to, you know, hang around with her when she used to do brand deals and understand how influencer marketing works and go to events with her. कि समझ लिया मैंने सब
Oh,
जो मुझे last 2 साल में बहुत काम आया है.
Okay.
And yeah, we've been together for a very long time now.
How
So,
long?
बता
How
दूँ?
long? बता दो.
11 years. Yeah, 11 years. That means our relationship has not seen a daylight of the apps that
Oh
people use
yeah.
today.
Oh my God. So you've never been on a.
I've never been on Tinder,
Oof.
Hinge, and whatever that there is. I mean,
That's mad.
I don't know how
can't
the
imagine.
interface looks like, and
Really? पता तो चला होगा ना through
दोस्त लोग
friends.
है,
हाँ.
but don't know like how it functions.
But how did it happen? So that was going to be my next question. Since
Yeah.
you curate music, did you propose to her with like a playlist?
नहीं यार तभी
नहीं?
तो but she's actually one of the prime source of good music that I've been listening like throughout obviously. So yeah, that
But
helps.
do you like send her a playlist when she's pissed? कि अच्छा तू pissed है तो ये सुन ले.
Yeah, I know what to play when she's upset or you know I want to hype her up. So yeah.
Yeah, so do you have like a specific playlist for her?
नहीं
नहीं, oh no. पकड़ा
यार
गया.
पूरा क्यूरेटर बैठा है तो मैं प्लेलिस्ट की बड़ी
Of course. अरे. Oh damn. But I thought it would have been so interesting if your story was yes, I
Yeah.
proposed to her with these songs.
नहीं
But if you had to describe Forum with one song, which one would it be?
let's take any song from that movie मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. You know that movie,
प्रेम
right?
मेरी सांसों में.
Yeah, she's all about that movie and the songs.
Oh my God! I just have an image of Kareena Kapoor
Isn't that
dancing
the
on
same
that.
movie where Hrithik goes, "Hey, auntie,
Yes.
woo!"
Woo. Oh damn! So who you're Hrithik in that scenario or what?
नहीं, let's not do that.
Okay, perfect. ये तो बात हो गई forum की. Now, since I knew I was having a conversation with you, I wanted to wear a shirt that's very important to me. It's one of my favorite artists. It's Darshan Rawal's. Now that, do you get it?
Oh, I've never seen his like
Autograph, yeah. So this was last year anyway. It was in a concert. I got to go back behind the stage and I got this and I met him and I was very happy. Yes. So that now for me, I think he for me is like the top artist and he will always be. So do you have an artist like that who's on your top forever, like an all-time favorite artist?
all-time favorite of my has to be Arijit Singh, and I once attended his concert. And पता नहीं मैं एकदम आगे फ्रंट रो में कहाँ से पहुँच गया.
How?
Yeah, it was like here in Goregaon Nesco, and बहुत भीड़ थी. We figured okay, next is Arijit. There was Pratik Kuhad on the same day, but वो देख लिया and they're like कि next is Arijit. तो घुस के अंदर आगे गए and it's him here and we are here and experiencing every song. It was crazy.
Do you remember the first Arijit Singh song that you've heard? You had heard?
Tose Naina, I think.
Oh,
That was
that's a
the
real
first one. Yeah.
Now, currently, who do you think is killing it in the industry? music
Currently,
industry?
who's
Yeah.
killing in the industry?
Like Arijit is your all-time favorite, current favorite.
I think Anuv is killing it. Yeah, but इतने ज़्यादा songs नहीं निकालता है, पर जब भी करता है कुछ crazy करता है, right? Apart from him, who's killing it is Hanuman Kind, obviously.
Of course.
But yeah, it's like a very different genre for him, right? जो अनूप सुनता है शायद से हनुमान काइंड नहीं सुनता
Of
होगा,
course.
है ना? It's
There
very
are two
different.
poles apart
Yeah.
artists.
But
So,
yeah, there are a few artists who I'm very excited to see how they grow. Like, you know, there's Khosla Raghu, there's Genie, there's so many of them.
Genie also recently opened for
Genie
Prateek.
opened for Prateek.
Yeah.
I was very excited for her. I'm very excited for always.
I think she's one of the artists for you who's like, I know she's going to make it one day big. And you're like,
I've told her everything कि पूरा prophecy बता दिया उसको.
क्या है?
कि
बोल दो
तुम
यार.
ये करने वाली हो,
Oh,
for sure.
damn. What do you think is that highlight for her in the future? What do you think it will be?
It's like
Best
Taylor
artist.
Swift level.
Oh damn! Quite the
sure.
manifestation for Ginny.
Yeah, I'm very good at manifesting.
Okay, now this conversation for me is just two music enthusiasts, lovers, just sitting and talking. So I want to analyze. I think we should analyze 4 or 5 big profiles. So I'll give you the names. You need to tell me why do you think they've blown up, and what do you think has been the peak of their journeys because of which they become such a sensation in the
Right,
music
right.
industry, right? First one is Akshat Acharya.
Wow.
Why do you think he has blown up? What do you think was his peak?
Okay, I recently met him, and post Nadania, obviously
course.
Nadania, it's his, you know, like, हाँ यहाँ पे ये फट गया types.
हाँ, correct.
But he's been doing it for a very long time now. If you even like go check his YouTube, he's been doing covers. And बहुत पहले से, a lot of people say कि this is what made him, but it's not like that. For him to do how he did in Nadanya, it has to go back. It's all the practice and
Correct.
the work that it's with everyone, even with Hanuman kind, you would say. हमें लगता है कि यहाँ पे ये crazy हो गया, but they've been doing it for a while now. Everyone.
Even Hanuman Khan was one of the names. So what do you think has blown up for him though?
Like it's the music video, I would say, because it reached where it is because of the music video and the song combined. I have second thoughts when if you ask me अगर ये song कोई और music video के हिसाब से अगर होता तो शायद उतना नहीं फटता.
So you think the music and the video were
Yeah,
equally...
together it just played along well. Yes.
The next artist is Diljit Dosanjh.
Oh God.
Analyze
He's like
karo.
the India representative, Punjab representative right now. But crazy for him. Like again, you have seen him evolve through different kinds of music. He's done regional stuff also, and now he's doing whatever he's doing. But what turned around is probably when he started touring around. And
The India
show.
tour?
नहीं
Or
अभी नहीं, इसके
international?
पहले से भी like I have seen him I think 3 years ago, but yeah, even back then his performances and act on stage, his confidence, that's what has got him there.
What do you think was his peak though in his whole journey up tak? Where has he peaked?
Peaked is that Canada में sold out stadium.
Oh,
That is
yes.
his peak moment, I think.
That's
I know
crazy.
he's filling stadiums right here in India, but this is like home ground. But कहीं और करना, and that was a huge ass stadium,
It
to be
was.
honest. Yeah.
In these three profiles, mention what do you think the current artist should be learning from these people? So what do
I
you
think
think?
to common out one I'll give कि अपने audience से connected रहना बहुत important है, and these three have done it throughout. Like replying to comments as basic as, because I know at the level that they are, it's very difficult for them to reply to all comments.
Yeah.
But when we are getting started, it's essential to listen to what your audience is saying. अगर 10 लोग comment कर रहे हैं तो सुनो कि 10 लोगों को क्या पसंद आ रहा है. Don't wait कि यार 10 ही comment आए हैं. वैसे.
But I think that's where people lack. If it's only posting stuff about your key song out now, and if it's only those posts, even that might
No,
not
I
connect.
think that's also very monotonous and boring.
Yeah.
Like even I would like to implement that on my page in future कि मैं अपने बारे में ज़्यादा और बताऊँ लोगों को to keep them connected with me, not just with music, but also all the other things that I'm doing in life.
But particularly if you have to choose a quality from each of these that people can learn from, what do you think it is? For Akshat.
For Akshat, I would say his songwriting.
For Diljit.
Diljit's a stage presence.
And for Hanuman Kind.
Oh God, energy and his raw, profile of his own. Like keep, this is what I am. Take it or leave it.
And I think he's also very connected to his home ground.
Yeah, that's raw.
Which
Like
Kerala, yeah.
this is me. He'll come in a lungi and perform if he wants.
Yeah. Like I didn't know. I also discovered him very recently, and then I heard him speak Malayalam, and I was flat. I
I've
was
seen
like,
that video. I've
"Oh,
seen
yeah."
that video. He did it in
It was a
video.
podcast only, I think, and I
Yeah.
saw him speaking Malayalam, and I was like, last profile is Anuv Jain.
Anuv Jain.
What do you think was his peak? What should people learn from him?
He's a brilliant songwriter. I would say I wouldn't. If you ask him to rate, ask me to rate him on his music skills, I wouldn't rate him so much, to be honest, very honest. But his songwriting skills are crazy, mad, crazy level. कुछ emotions, कुछ scenario को जिस तरह से वो डालता है एक song में, you put whatever music on it, it'll be nice. But you see his songs and music, right? It's very simple.
Yeah.
That's why he's called himself just a boy with a guitar, right? Not so many elements, not a lot of composition.
But
or
would you
arrangement.
want to see him experiment with his music?
I would love to see him collaborate with other artists, see him do shows with a band. I've seen him in Bombay, again a full stadium with 8,000 people, just a boy with a guitar, nothing else.
So what is like your dream collaboration for artists? Who like two artists do you think should collaborate? Like it's finally time you two collaborate.
Damn, this is very interesting. मैंने ये सोचा नहीं कभी.
So sure.
हाँ. I think I would love to see Anuv Jain collaborate with Hanuman Kind.
Oh my god.
I don't know how here and there it may go, but I think they'll figure out a
I
way
think
to
they'll balance it out.
Yeah, it's very weird. I know everyone who's hearing it, listening this will be like, क्या कुछ भी बोल रहा है, but think about it.
I think, like you said, Hanuman's music and Anuv's lyrics.
Yeah, because if you not Anuv on the normal songs, but if you listen to his Antariksh, it's like a very flowy, rappy song. You listen to that. It's
Yes,
a
yes,
crazy
I have.
song. So I was imagining in that way.
Now we were talking about genres, so I want to specifically talk about the rapping genre. Now it's loved more so after Gully Boy, I think. So my question here is, who do you think is killing it in the rapping scene right now? And what do you think the future is of this genre going forward?
I recently attended this Rap 91 Spotify का इवेंट होता है जहाँ पे सारे इमर्जिंग थ्रू आउट द कंट्री की जितने भी आर्टिस्ट होते हैं दे शोकेस दे प्रोफाइल. पहले मेरे को लगता था मुंबई रैप इज देयर, दिल्ली, दो ही सीन है रैपिंग के सीन, दो ही है, दिल्ली और बॉम्बे.
Correct.
बट अभी देयर इज पुणे, देयर इज लाइक Shreyas is there, Marathi rap, crazy Tamdi
Oh,
Tamdi and
yeah.
all that. Then I saw a lot of acts from South. Yeah. Then headlining Krishna. Krishna is killing it.
Krishna, of course.
Yeah. Seedhe Maut.
You have to choose your top favorite. कौन होगा फिर?
Top favorite, I think Seedhe Maut right now.
Okay. And what do you think is the future of this genre going forward in the music industry?
See, in the hip hop scene, there's a wide difference between the audiences. जो हम और आप शायद independent music और mellow music, soft music सुनते हैं. It's very different from the community that is for hip hop and rap. They're very so close knit and it's like a cult. You will, it's as good as heavy metal जो internationally होता है, इंडिया में भी होता है, कि they are so knit with the artists कि कुछ भी करेंगे, they will do mosh pits and there's loud energy and they are buying merch, वो face paint करा के आ रहे हैं, क्या क्या. It's the community is so strong for hip hop. Even if you see Haryana hip hop, it's crazy. This is going to be as big as Bollywood music scene.
Okay, now you've recently had the sets of Rayman from Coke Studio Bharat Season 2 with Shreya Ghoshal. I am so jealous, by the way. So my question here is, how is the experience? Because that's quite a checklist item, I'm sure.
Okay.
So how is it meeting her in this set, in the scenario?
See, first, it's usually discussed earlier कि तुम क्या करने वाले हो, ये
Yeah,
वो.
yeah.
सब discuss हो गया, very calm. And the moment I went there, I am shivering. मैं script भूल रहा हूँ. I know I have to talk to her for 10 minutes. I just have that small window of 10 minutes to talk to her because they're shooting, they're very tight scheduled
Of course.
shoot. And I've lost it. Like कि क्या करूँ ये वो. But the moment I started speaking to her, she's so calm and centered. She'll make you feel, कि हाँ हम लोग जानते तो है इतने सालों से.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And I forgot there's a camera rolling and we are talking. I'm asking her about the song and she's telling us stories from school. मैंने जो post किया है,
post
that's barely 1 minute. We've spoken for 10 minutes.
So what is that one segment that you really liked in your conversation that didn't make it in the final cut of the video?
She talked about her experiences from her college days, how she used to sing in her canteen.
Oh, wow.
So, and if you see the post that I've posted, उनके college friends ने वहाँ पे comment किया है. I miss how you used to sing in the canteen.
That is so sweet.
Imagine Shreya Ghoshal, young one, and she's singing in her canteen, college canteen.
Shit. Which college was she in?
I don't know. Like,
Oh,
we
damn.
didn't ask her.
I can't imagine only, yeah. She would have been quite the vibe. Like with the
Yeah.
guitar. In.
I don't know.
Like I'm trying to imagine it.
No, just singing is just plain vocals is also enough. Shreya
Yeah,
ma'am,
yeah, that is very true. But also their recent collaboration with her and Sunidhi Chauhan is
Oh my
blown
God.
up. Do you have anything to say about this collaboration between the
Like,
two?
I think कभी तो होने वाला था. Obviously, they've been there in the industry for a
Yeah.
very long time. They're like the pioneers. But ये अभी हुआ वो crazy है because 2024 has given us so many crazy songs,
That's true.
collaborations. This has the most amount of amazing songs this year. Yeah.
Now, if you had to give me 3 names in the music industry, I'll give you categories and you have to tell me who fits it right. So, it's underrated, accurately rated, overrated. So, yes.
Wow.
Who do
Putting
you
me in a
think? Of course, music curator.
Overrated artist.
Yes. Who do you think is a underrated artist currently?
Currently underrated artist is there's this duo called Khosla Raghu. Okay, so if you listen to Rishabh's voice, there are two, Rishabh and Sanchit. So Rishabh की आवाज़, it's very similar to, I would say, Arijit. I
Oh.
wouldn't compare it, it's off and wrong, but मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है उसकी आवाज़. So Khosla Raghu is one underrated artist.
Accurately rated. Who do you think हाँ सही है, सही मिल रहा है recognition?
Accurately rated is I think Pratik Kohad.
Overrated then?
I think it's AP Dillon.
Overrated?
Yeah, I feel he's overrated. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. Sorry guys.
Why?
The cult is too big for what he's doing. He's good. I wouldn't deny he's not good. He's good. He's given us really good songs. But thoda tone.
Fair.
Yeah.
Yes, I think it's your thoughts. But I also think it's the community that might have been stuck with him from really
Probably, yeah.
before.
That
so,
matters, yeah.
Yeah. ये तो artist की बात होगी. Now give me 3 songs for the same categories. Which one do you think is an underrated song right now?
An underrated song right now. It has to be new or what?
कुछ भी. If you think it should make a comeback. Or people did not listen to it much when it released.
This has to be crazy. There's this band called the Western Ghats.
Okay.
Okay. कुछ I think 150k listeners होंगे Spotify पे. Their song Nazare. उसको काफी time हो गया. But
Okay.
amazing
It's not
song.
gotten recognition, you're
Please
saying?
listen to it. Yes.
Okay. Oh, accurately rated. Which song right now?
Accurately rated.
कि इतना तो काफी है इस song के लिए.
I think जो तुम मेरे हो.
This is by?
Anup Jain.
Oh, okay. The audience is gonna kill me.
This is
Okay. I might cut it out. No. Arey, I'm not an Anup Jain heart. I mean, I listen to literally one artist. I'm telling you, 2 लोगों को सुनती हूँ. One is Darshan Rawal, one is.
Okay, accurately one more rated
yeah,
is
yeah.
तू है by Darshan.
नहीं. अरे डाल दिया अभी उसको spot पे.
Because there's another artist on it who's my favorite, Prakriti.
Of
Yeah.
course. तू है तो I love. And overrated.
Oh, again overrated song you want?
ये अब नहीं बोलोगे तो of course.
God. But honestly, I don't think songs can be,
They do
labeled.
become, no? Don't you think, especially when it's on a reel and it's trending and it's been listened to a lot by a
वो
lot
तो
of
सभी
people.
songs का होता है
तो
यार.
एक तो होगा, give me one of these kind of songs then that you think is very overrated. बहुत चल रहा है. It's not that good that it should get so much recognition.
नहीं, see what happens. I'll give you an explanation
Okay,
behind
बोलो.
it. Reels have actually messed up our attention span so much.
Correct.
कि हम एक genuinely अच्छे सॉन्ग को भी इतना कोसते हैं कि यार ये पस हो गया. I'm sure मैंने अक्षत को ही बोला कि नादानिया के टाइम पे भी मेरे को हुआ था.
Okay.
बहुत देख रहा था नादानिया. It's a good song, but when the algorithm overdoes it, that happens. You feel that.
Okay, I wanted to ask a brand question, but I want to twist it a little. You work a lot with Spotify and Amazon Music, Ghana also? Have you
Not
worked
really.
with? Okay. So the brands that you have worked with, can you quickly tell us how did they approach you? How did you start working with them? And if artists are coming up like you, a music curator wants to reach out to them, what do you think is the best way to do that?
I think for me, I'll tell you how the process was. I started posting about playlists, and my playlists were always there on the YouTube and Spotify.
Okay.
But what happened is Spotify की टीम से recognition मेरे को ज़्यादा मिली कि this guy is becoming a face of playlists in India sort of.
Oh, wow.
कि why don't we give you some more perks. So very recently 6-7 महीने पहले they verified me as a user profile. Usually होता नहीं है. I'm a user on Spotify, but I'm a verified profile.
User. Oh.
And I get to use a lot of perks and like some features that are not open to everyone. So basically, point being कि these platforms abhi they are trying to give this recognition कि हाँ how curation is becoming like a full-time thing.
Correct.
They have been curating playlists for a while, but लोग कर रहे हैं अभी and they're talking about songs. They're talking about their playlists. So
That's crazy. So if say Spotify also, if I see a playlist one day, will it be curated by Sagar Kari? Like any algorithm of Spotify can be yours maybe in the future.
yeah, probably. I don't know. But yeah, I genuinely love when people listen to my playlists and they actually use it in their daily lives. मेरे को रैंडमली लोग आके बोलते कि ये तुम्हारी प्लेलिस्ट हम लोग सुनते हैं ट्रैवल के टाइम पे,
Wow.
एंड ऐसी प्लेलिस्ट मैंने जो बना के 6 महीने पहले छोड़ दी है, वो भी ऐसे लाइक लोग सुन रहे हैं. इट्स यू नो पीपल नीडेड दिस. आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट्स नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग इनफ.
But is
yeah.
there like a playlist you made that you are really proud of? One playlist कि यार कि तू
it's there.
that you're shocked कि ये तो ये मैंने बनाया है playlist. Is
So
there one
there's this
playlist?
playlist called Unskippable Songs.
Okay.
I had this series, अभी भी है, but ज़्यादा पोस्ट नहीं करता उसके बारे में. Unskippable Songs are basically classic Bollywood songs. When they're playing, you can't skip them. They're so good,
Oh, okay.
right? And इसमें one of the most amazing. Even if I show it to you right now, you'll be like, wow, what is this?
Now we will deep dive into our game segment.
So there's a game.
Of course, music curator के साथ game है that too.
Crazy.
So this is called curating a live playlist. Feat Sagar Kari. That's why I thought I don't know how fast you can be with thinking. But now this is I will give you a few questions. You need to create a quick playlist of 5 songs. You can choose either 5 songs or 3 songs, depending on your thinking capacity at the moment.
You're going to give me a topic or
I'm
something.
going to give you a situation.
Oh, okay.
And you need to tell me ki these are the 3 songs that fit perfectly to this situation. So the first situation is just broke up with the love of my life.
तो फिर आओ by
Okay.
मुस्तफा जाहिद,
Hmm.
जो आवारापन में song.
Yes, yes.
आओगे तुम कभी by the local train.
Damn.
Just to miss them more, तुम जब पास by Pratik Kuhad.
Oh God. ये heartbreak वालों को बोल रहा है
Crazy
तो
है,
और
तीनों
heartbreak
picks.
ले
So proud
तू.
of my 3 picks.
Yes. Now the second one is stuck in an elevator with my crush for 10 minutes. What songs do you think will make into this playlist?
Okay. 10 minutes जैसे ही बोलते हैं मेरे को टेलर स्विफ्ट का All Too Well 10 minutes आता है दिमाग में. 10 मिनट के लिए उसी को बजा दो.
Yeah.
That's your crush, right?
Yes. My crush. जो बोला इसने.
Your crush, yeah. You
Yeah,
are-
like audience's crush.
I'm going to assume that you are with your crush. in
Okay,
that elevator.
Manisha's with her crush
This is
in
for
the
Manisha,
elevator
guys.
for
This
10
playlist is
minutes.
for Manisha.
अरे, okay.
The first song goes क्या मुझे प्यार है by KK.
Oh my God. Okay.
The second is अगर तुम साथ हो.
ये बहुत सैड नहीं हो गया बीच में?
Sad हो गया क्या?
थोड़ा ना, क्या मुझे प्यार है से
But then
अगर
this is
तुम-
like an affirmation कि हाँ इसकी play इस thinking match करती है मेरे साथ. I like his songs.
I mean, it's for a
That helps.
situation. See, I'm in an elevator and I'm really nervous at the minute because I'm like, shit, I'm stuck with my crush.
तुमसे
So
ही.
मेरे- Oh, जब we met.
जब we met.
The third one is preparing for an intense workout. I know you already have a workout playlist,
Damn.
don't you?
Yeah, I do have a workout playlist. The first one is Lover by Diljit.
Oh my God, okay. Quite the one to start with.
Yes.
तो एक भी साउथ का गाना नहीं बोला है तूने अब तक. Just saying.
Why don't you give me a recommendation?
Either Hukum or there's a song called Hunter recently from Waited, which are like proper I am the king
Yeah.
type songs. Yes, so I need that energy to even any Vijay song that Anirudh has made. It's all from Master and all of
I
that.
have to
You
peek
do.
into your playlist.
You have
for
to.
sure.
I'll show you.
Yes.
But Anirudh is a constant. He's one artist who also he's done music for Jawan.
Yeah,
so,
I know. Yeah.
So he obviously has been doing romantic songs also. He writes, sings,
Bro, we
composes.
could definitely add Jawan title track into the workout playlist, man.
Yes,
It's like,
of course.
da-da-da-da.
No, together we made that list. I see
Yeah,
then.
it's a
Okay.
collaboration.
Yes. Now the fourth situation is need to recover from a bad work day. I have the worst day in my work. What should I listen to?
So very mellow, something chill, right? It has to be like that. I'll go with Muskurahat by Mitras.
Oh, I don't think I've heard it.
Yeah. You should
Okay.
also see my playlist.
I will.
Then Rose Rose by the Yellow Diary.
Ah, that I've heard. Quite nice.
The one with Shilpa Rao on it. She's my most favorite female artist in India.
Oh, wow. What the revelation we found here. And third song.
Aditya Rikhari.
वो full सारे गाने.
नहीं नहीं. We want to relax, right? Let's go with Samjo na.
Quite nice. I love this list. Now, yes, I want to end this game with a final question.
Okay.
I know you hate this, we've spoken about it, but if you've been asked to DJ at a party, but everyone has a very different music tastes, What's your go-to playlist that would balance like everybody's vibe?
This party is in India, right?
Yes. Just assume it's a house party. You and I are in the house party. You're DJing. What do you play that will set like a South Indian
I
and a
have
North
3
Indian?
go-to songs for any DJ party. One is Sena Sena. Have you heard this song? Sena Sena. You said it.
Oh yes. The Bollywood one, na? This is.
Ishq Tera Tadpaave.
Okay. चलिए.
I'm gonna go with Chaya Chaya दिल से.
Oh, of course.
और ये 3 सॉन्ग पे अगर कोई नहीं नाचा ना तो मैं उसको मारूंगा.
I think you should add one more, which is Appadi Pode. I don't think even if people don't understand it, I think would.
South represent.
Like
She's been trying to
he's
add
not been
South
saying any South songs. It's hurting my heart. Now talking about, we are doing a podcast and I know you have your own. So congratulations first of all for starting your own podcast this year. Sounds Good with Sagar Kari. Shout out to Sounds Good.
Yes.
Now I've been loving these conversations, but tell me, who is your dream guest? जिसके आने से आपको finally लगेगा कि यार sounds good, finally sounds good.
There are 2 of them. Okay. One I'll be shivering and nervous, and one I'll be very, centered to host. I'll tell the centered one. I'll be very calm and nice to host Arijit Singh.
Oh, okay.
I know because he's very warm and homely. And the one I'll be very thrilled to host is A.R. Rahman sir.
Oh my God.
I know he's also very calm and he's the nicest person. But उनको host करने के लिए फट जाएगी भाई.
You choosing like the top.
The top
guests.
2 in India. You asked me the dream,
shoot.
right? You asked me the dream.
Oh my
But
God.
yeah, this is what I'm manifesting, and my game is strong. Very soon.
Damn. A controversial question here, but who's been your favorite guest till now on the show?
Who's been
Your favorite guest till now?
on Sounds Good with Sagar Kari?
If you had to choose one episode that you loved shooting, was the best conversation according to you?
सब अच्छे थे.
नहीं, I knew this would come. नहीं, एक. सब अच्छे थे.
सब अच्छे थे या सब बुरे थे?
ये नहीं कटेगा अब, ये नहीं कटेगा.
नहीं. Genuinely, it's difficult to pick, but
ठीक है, I'll give you an option 2 episodes max.
2 episodes.
एक
I
तो
think I had fun listening to stories with Mahi because he had first-hand POV, raising a kid like a
Of
kid
course.
in Shan's house. So those stories were interesting. And second one has to be Dikshant, I would say.
Diksha music, yeah.
Yeah. Again,
Beautiful.
his I could relate to his stories a lot because he's from Bombay. He's also Maharashtrian. I'm a Maharashtrian. So we were like vibing.
Marathi represent.
Yes.
Okay. Now recently, since you also explore genres on a daily basis, what is the one music genre that you have recently discovered and you think people have not heard it yet?
I made a reel about it a few days ago. It's Marathi house.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it's crazy. मतलब कैसे और मतलब पता नहीं next क्या आएगा. It's like house music but with Marathi rap on it. We never imagined something like this could drop. And there's also like funk music coming in recently, but India में कुछ artists बना रहे.
What is
Funk
this?
is like PHONK. Funk is very like you would love to work out on it. Basically, it's very heavy
Okay.
and fast beats. BPM is fast. So listen to it. Like I would recommend everyone to listen to funk if you're doing your workouts. India में कुछ artists बना रहे, but it's the next thing. It's fun.
And if you had to choose one specific movie album, Bollywood movie, which movie do you think has the bestest music album?
The best.
Yeah, which was still relevant, has always been relevant, will always be relevant. कि हर generation तो relate करेगा यार इस movie के album से, like the best
I
Bollywood.
think a lot of you will agree with me. It's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
I had another one in mind.
What was that?
Aashiqui 2.
अभी एज पे जाएगी वापस.
अरे Aashiqui 2 guys, come
Aashiqui
on.
2 is अभी आया था.
अभी था क्या
अभी
अभी? It's
आया.
been like years. Adi started his career with it. कभी खुशी कभी गम, really.
Yeah, I think all the songs were like on.
And you said Dil To Pagal Hai also before.
Dil to Pagal Hai. I wake up to that. Yep.
I also saw your recent reel where you posted about Anup Jain's lyrics specifically. So my question is, what is that one lyric that lives in your head rent free?
I recently saw it somewhere, किसी के podcast में ही, when that person was explaining the lyrics of अगर तुम साथ हो, कि how
Correct.
it's heart and
Brain.
mind talking to each other, and you know when the heart starts talking,
Yeah.
that's when मैं ढल जाती हूँ तेरी आदतों में अगर तुम साथ हो, you know मेरी दुनिया है तेरी चाहतों में. It's like she's giving a reply back.
To the heart or to the brain?
Yeah, to the brain.
That's mad.
Yeah.
Good one. Good song. Good lyric.
Rent free.
Going back to podcasting, why podcasting? What finally pushed you to start podcasting?
Yeah, there's a very interesting reason behind it. Why I started doing what I'm doing right now is like, you know, sort of giving a platform to emerging artists. तो इस वजह से मैं in the last 1 year काफ़ी artists से मिला.
Okay.
And I figured not everyone is sort of, you know, vocal about their life and how their journeys have been. And even if they are, probably not a lot of people are listening. And I thought we have to document this in a certain way. We'll start by doing people with people who, you know, have a certain, like a fan base of their own. And you know, अपने listeners, for example, if Dikshant, Mahi, Mitras or whoever, they have their own fan bases right now, right? And everyone wants to know कि how they have started and कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचे हैं, challenges क्या रहे हैं. And there are a lot of podcasts in the world where they talk about established artists, right? Like
True.
the top tier artists. But emerging के लिए कुछ था नहीं. And I thought if I have been the bridge between a lot of songs being filtered and giving it to listeners, I can also do this, be a bridge between their stories, bridge the gap between their stories and their followers. You know, the followers can get more connected with them.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, now for a music curator who's so open about his relationship, I have to ask you. Do you have your wedding playlist already set?
My wedding playlist, or do I have a wedding playlist? That's a
Your
two different question.
no,
Two different questions.
your wedding playlist कि
My
मेरे शादी में
wedding
ये गाने बजेंगे.
नहीं यार.
Really? Forum is okay with this or what?
I'm not sure she's
if
fine
my
with it.
boyfriend's a music curator and he's not thought of
But
songs
I
that's
am
playing at
sure
my wedding.
you can give me 5 minutes and I'll fix that up. So.
See, really?
Yeah.
I think you need more time.
I do have a wedding. I have like what 16, 17 open playlists on my Spotify, and there are 35 which are only private to me.
Oh wow.
So वहाँ से कुछ अगर अच्छा निकले तो.
So you don't have a playlist. I am so disappointed. Do you have a song in mind कि अगर जब मैं enter कर रहा हूँ तो ये गाना बजना चाहिए और जब वो enter कर रही है तो ये बजना चाहिए?
भाई शादी की बात कर रही है मेरे साथ. Maybe some artists will be playing live. So.
Well, that's a question though. If someone had to, who would be
यार.
I want to know.
मैं ही feed कर रहा हूँ तुम्हें. But मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया कि I had attended Anup Jain's concert in Bombay और
You want Anuj Jain to come here?
I had attended it alone actually.
Oh.
It was for work. I was sort of doing a small bit with him. So Forum was not there, and she's never seen him live. I would love to see him live. तुम्हारे wedding में क्या बजेगा?
मेरे wedding में the problems if Darshan's there then I won't pay attention to my guy. So
Darshan Rahul, my wedding fix?
हाँ, तेरी शादी में आऊंगी और मैं दर्शन से मिल जाऊंगी.
ठीक है.
Guys, set.
Done.
Okay,
We've
perfect.
agreed on it. Come on terms now.
Okay, now for the love of the city, Mumbai, if you had to dedicate one particular song for this city, which one would it be?
In Dino.
Wait, I've heard the song. Sing na,
एज के बारे में बात करेंगे.
I've heard. In दिनों I've heard. ये शिल्पा शेट्टी का मूवी है क्या?
हाँ.
Correct. See, I remember. I'm not a 90s kid, but I know.
But if you want me to give you like a very recent pick, so the song is Iktara and it's by one of my favorite artists.
That was mad. I think for everybody, especially for people who come to Mumbai, घर छोड़ के.
Yeah.
I think it's quite the movie, quite the playlist.
It's actually a very difficult question for someone who's been raised in Bombay.
That's true.
है ना?
That's more connected to people who come here and start
Yeah.
working here. That's true. Okay, now we unfortunately are at the end of our podcast. But
Shit.
We end our podcast, Sagar, with manifestations. So tell me, what are we manifesting for Sagar Curry today, right here?
Wow. Okay, this I've been manifesting for a very long time for myself. I want to be the biggest music curator in the world. Like, I want to be that spokesperson for the emerging artists in the world, not just India. And that will only happen once I sort of figure out things in India. But yeah, मेरे को करना है, and I want to be giving that platform to a lot of artists who are trying every day, to make it at their own best. Yes.
Now, I've asked you this before off camera, but are we seeing your own songs coming up in the future, maybe?
I don't know. I'll give you a sort of hint. Because I've been a guitarist for a very long time,
Yeah.
but I want to go back on stage.
So we will.
I don't know. I've been practicing. But
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, now with that, we come to the end of our conversation with Sagar Curry. We hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you tune into our next episode with your next favorite creator. For now, let's say bye to Sagar.
bye guys, and thank you so much for having me here. And I would love to see your playlist because I'm always on the lookout for new songs.
Yes, I think you should make a specific South playlist
Yeah.
for like South
In collaboration
with Manisha. Yay!